Okay, Max. You want this one? One more time. You ready? You ready? You ready? Go get it. Where'd it go, Max? All right, come on. Good boy. Totally the wrong stick. Come on. Good boy. Come on, almost there. I know it's a big hill. You out of breath now? It was 5 times in a row.